Apa kamu rasa pasal serangga?
Geli.
Ini adalah contoh beberapa reaksi orang awam terhadap serangga.
So are insects really that bad? Let's learn more about the wonders of insects in today's episode.
Nama saya Yulinda.
My name is Chun. Welcome to the Borneo Wildlife Series.
Sebelum kita mula, mari kita mengenali apa itu serangga ataupun dalam bahasa Inggeris dikenali sebagai insek. Ramai yang menganggap segala haiwan yang bersaiz kecil dan mempunyai banyak kaki ialah serangga. Akan tetapi, sebenarnya hanya haiwan yang berruas-ruas mempunyai 6 kaki serta sesungut ialah serangga. Jadi, kalajengking, lipan dan juga laba-laba bukanlah serangga. Terdapat berjuta jenis serangga di dunia ini dan serangga yang paling terkenal ialah kupu-kupu dan rama-rama. Mari kita belajar mengenai kupu-kupu di Taman Kupu-Kupu Substesen Poring Taman Kinabalu.
Oke, selamat pagi. Nama saya Justina Palante. Selamat datang ke Taman Kupu-Kupu. Taman Kupu-Kupu ini telah dibina pada tahun 1989 dan telah dibuka untuk pelawat pada tahun 1995. Poring ini terdapat lebih kurang 600 atau lebih spesies kupu-kupu dan yang paling menarik adalah birdwings macam Trogonoptera bruciana dan Tonides ampices begitu. Kita telah memelihara lebih kurang 100 spesies yang maksudnya kita sudah tahu tumbuhan makanan dia, apa yang dia makan dan macam mana bentuk ulat dan telur dia lah.
There are almost 1,000 species of butterflies on Borneo. One of the most beautiful species of forest butterfly is the Raja Brook birdwing. The Raja Brook birdwing is named after James Brooke, the first white Raja of Sarawak. This butterfly is also a protected species and adopted as the national butterfly of Malaysia. There's a common understanding that butterflies are the beautiful, colorful, attractive ones, while moths are the nocturnal, boring and dull-looking ones. This is generally true, but actually there are some moths that are active during the day, and there are so many species of moths that are very colorful, rivaling that of butterflies.
Rama-rama ni butterfly kah moth? Butterfly ni kupu-kupu kah rama-rama? Sebab ramai penduduk di Borneo belajar bahawa rama-rama ini ialah butterfly dan kupu-kupu ni ialah moth. Tetapi secara rasminya kupu-kupu ni ialah butterfly dan moth ialah rama-rama. Nah, sekarang kamu sudah tahu kan?
There are lots of actions going around these flowers, as you can see here. One of the vital role of insects is pollination. Pollination is very important. It is needed for plants to reproduce. Even palm oil, one of the major industries in Malaysia, depend on a pollinating weevil to generate millions of dollars. The most popular pollinating insects would be the honeybee. A lot of our food source actually comes from bee pollination. If bees were to go extinct, there will be mass famine. So there are many kinds of bees, such as carpenter bees, cuckoo bees, honey bees, and also there's a type of bee called the stingless bee. And locally, stingless bees are known as kalulut, which they produce an edible, sour, black honey. One amazing thing we notice in bees is that they live in a colony. This produces them with efficiency and good defense. And so bees, they function as a superorganism. They have strength in numbers. Other insects which also live in a colony and function as a superorganism are like ants and wasps, which are also related to bees. These insects that live in a colony our favorite buffet to some animals that are specialized in eating colony insects, such as pangolins and also sticky frogs.
Today I would like to share with everyone about entomological ecotourism, or shortly known as entotourism, as a humble beginning of entomological ecotourism as a means of collecting insects for museums. From there started the development of a multifaceted of what the niche of ecotourism lah. So today in entomological ecotourism or entotourism is part of nature-based tourism, okay, that combines insect sightings in protected areas in other places in the world that benefit the ecosystem and the local people. So when we look insect sightings or insects watching based tourism together with ecotourism is actually to help insects to create awareness about the importance of insects to the ecosystem, as well as to help the community that involved in this kind of tourism.
Unfortunately, there are lots of insect poaching still going on for pet trades, souvenirs, and also illegal research projects. In one example, there's a beautiful blue-legged tarantula exported illegally from Sarawak to UK to be described as a new species.
Based on our monitoring activities, we found out that insects and plants are the most specimens that which were brought out of Sabah without the export license. Hello everyone, my name is Alessandra Marcos and I'm actually from the Sabah Biodiversity Center, and currently I am at the section of licensing and enforcement. So if you want to do research in Sabah, you need to come to Sabah Biodiversity Center first. You need to have an access license in order for you to conduct your research activities. And if you would like to take away all the specimens for the purpose of research activities, you need to have export license. A lot of people came to Sabah to do research, but some also as a tourist. Sometimes they come to Sabah to take pictures. But when they go back to their countries, they will do some research activities. So we would advise you to go to the proper channels to get proper permissions for you to conduct your research activities.
Good evening everyone. We are going to start our night walk now, and tonight I'm going to be walking with Mr. Kong, a local macro photography hobbyist based here in Tawau. Hopefully tonight we see some cool insects.
My name is Kong Hong Ping. I'm doing micro photography about 10 years. I love micro photography because we can explore a lot of things. We can see a lot of details in the little things which we cannot see with our naked eyes.
Aha, there's something interesting here. Try and see if you can spot it. So this right here is a stick insect. Stick insects, I call them the masters of camouflage. Because of all the insects, they are one of the best in camouflaging. So most of the stick insects, they perfectly mimic sticks. That's why, hence the name, stick insects. Trilobite beetles are one of the most unique insects because the female beetles do not look like typical beetles. They look like they keep the larva form. As you can see, the trilobite beetles are feeding on the slime molds. So actually, insects are everywhere in the forest. But sometimes you don't see them because they're very good in hiding. When we turn around, we can see the huntsman spider, and next to it is a harvestman. So harvestman and spiders, they are not insects, but they are from a different group of animals called the arachnids. So we just found something interesting here. It's a pair of whip scorpion, and right now they are mating. Whip scorpions, they are also not insects. They are more related to spiders and scorpions.
Sudah tentu terdapat serangga yang berbahaya seperti nyamuk, lalat, anai-anai dan juga perosak tanaman yang boleh menjejaskan kesihatan dan ekonomi. Tetapi tanpa mereka, kita tidak boleh hidup, dan jika serangga pupus, manusia juga akan pupus. Jadi cubalah melihat kecantikan serangga dan cuba untuk mencintai mereka.
So as you can see in today's episodes, insects are actually quite wonderful. They play a vital role in our ecosystem, and we are benefiting a lot from them. Even though they are the majority, there's relatively less public interest towards them. We all should learn more about insects as they have the potential to solve food problems, provide cures to diseases, and inspire future technology.